2025 Kawasaki KX500 dirt bike, the return of a legend presented by MotorBuzz. Welcome to MotorBuzz, your go-to channel for the latest in motorcycles, dirt bikes, and powersports news. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting comebacks in motocross history, the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 dirt bike. After decades of anticipation, Kawasaki has finally reintroduced the KX500, and it's nothing short of a game-changer. A legendary name returns. The KX500 is a name that resonates deeply with motocross enthusiasts. Originally discontinued in 2004, the KX500 was known for its raw two-stroke power, brutal acceleration, and status as a true beast on the track and in the dunes. Fast forward to 2025, Kawasaki has resurrected this iconic machine, but with a modern twist. While it maintains its aggressive DNA, the new KX500 is built for today's riders, with advanced technology and a more refined design. Engine and performance. Let's start with what matters most, the engine. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is powered by a completely redesigned 499cc two-stroke engine, delivering explosive torque and high-end horsepower. Kawasaki hasn't gone electric or four-stroke here. They've stayed true to the roots with a two-stroke power plant, but they've optimized it with modern fuel injection, digital ignition mapping, and an electronic power valve for smoother delivery and more control across the rev range. Thanks to its lightweight internals and advanced cooling system, the 2025 KX500 offers incredible throttle response and heat management, something that was a major drawback in the older models. Riders can expect top-end performance both on tight trails and open sand dunes, with the kind of low-end grunt that two-stroke fans have been begging for. Frame and suspension. Moving on to the chassis, Kawasaki has equipped the KX500 with a completely new aluminum perimeter frame, inspired by the KX450 but reinforced to handle the extra power. The geometry strikes a perfect balance between agility and stability, whether you're carving berms or launching over whoops. For suspension, the 2025 KX500 features KYB AOS, air-oil separate, forks up front and a fully adjustable rear monoshock, giving riders the ability to dial in the suspension to match their terrain and riding style. Whether you're racing, trail riding, or hitting jumps, the KX500 suspension system is built to absorb and deliver. Braking and control. With great power comes the need for great control. Kawasaki hasn't skimped here either. The 2025 KX500 features large-diameter pedal disc brakes on both ends, paired with high-performance calipers for maximum stopping power. The front brake is razor-sharp without being grabby, while the rear brake offers excellent modulation, especially in downhill or technical sections. To complement the braking, the ergonomics have been completely rethought. The new KX500 features adjustable handlebar mounts, gripper seat, and narrow bodywork that